So Craftor is a resin company, and I have done a few videos with their products. They have one-to-one epoxy resin. They have deep pour resin. They have tabletop resin, and they have UV resin, and I've used all of them except the tabletop resin. They have agreed to do a giveaway with my channel. And today I'm going to be doing the drawing for this giveaway. And there's going to be 3 winners. And each winner will receive 3 bottles of their UV resin from Craftor. So good luck, everyone. I'm getting ready to do it right now. I'm so excited for you. First winner is Jeannie Brown. Congratulations. Very awesome. So you are the first winner. I will be contacting you in the comment and also posting this video. And please email me. I'll get the information that I need from you to send to Craftor so they can send that out to you. Awesome. All right, next one. Ready? Number 2. Johnny Dark. Congratulations, Johnny. That's awesome. So I will be contacting you in the comments, and you'll just need to email me your information. All right, last one. Ready? I'm ready. Okay. Marcy's Artsy Fartsy Creations. Marcy's Artsy Fartsy Creations. Congratulations, Marcy. You are the 3rd winner. So that's the 3 winners for the Craftor UV Resin giveaway. Thank you all so much for entering, and I'm so happy for you. So have a nice day, everybody. I really hope you have a good week. Bye.